Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. As you remember, 2 weeks ago I have started my seeds with the tomatoes and peppers, and this is how it looks like right now. As you can see, so this is the tomato right here, the pear-shaped tomato. As you can see, they are very tall and leggy, and same as the other tomato. So I'm not worried about it today. I am going to show you how to fix a leggy tomatoes by repotting them in each individual pot. So in here I have the potting mix, so we're just gonna add some potting mix on this little pot. So I'm just preparing my pot by adding some soil on it. Alright, so I have a piece. There we go, six right here. So before I use this pot, I make sure that I disinfected it. Alright, so let's start with the beef steak tomato right here. So this is pretty easy. Just take this all right there. So just make sure when you hold the tomato seedlings, make sure you handle it on the leaves. So what we're gonna do is just make a small hole right there. And you see, and just bury the stem. So now we can add more soil on it. There you go, on tomato. See the roots? It's very healthy. So I have a little stick in here actually. So we're just gonna create a hole. And there we go. Add more soil. There we go. I got 2 tomatoes now. Let's see, right here. Okay. Right here. Ooh. There we go. So I have five of the beefsteak tomatoes. There we go. And later I'm just gonna water all of them together. So we're going to make a label. We're gonna make the date. So that's beefsteak tomato. There you go, and just stick it right here. So I need one more. There we go. So I have a very small garden, so I don't need a lot of beefsteak tomato because I still have at least 7 more varieties to plant. So I'm just gonna need 5 beefsteak. All right. So that's only 1, 3, 4. I'm gonna do 5 pots of. Let's see what we're gonna. Okay, we'll do the San Marzano. Look at the San Marzano. They are very, very leggy. Whoa, wow, look at all the roots. You see? So let's do this. Oh my goodness, what a mess. They're all entangled. Okay, let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let's start this one right here. You see, it's very leggy. We're just gonna bury the roots right here. Oh wow, so leggy. How come? There you go. You're gonna be fine. There you go. Add a little bit of dirt. There you go. So Marzano will put it right here. Leggy. Okay. There you go. Whoa, there you go. I like to bury most of it's a stem. Sorry. There you go. There we go. Get this one right here. Wow, look how leggy is this one right here. Sorry, you gotta bury your stem. Okay, there you go. So these 5s are the San Marzano tomato. So I make sure that I make the label right after so that I don't mix them up. San Marzano. 2. San Marzano. So on my previous video, you see me how I make this label. San Marzano. There we go. So now I can move them all together right here. Alrighty. So I have 5 San Marzano and 5 dipstick tomato. Okay, so I'm just putting some potting mix on this pot and then I'm ready to repot. Okay, so let's take some, what's that? Big beef tomato right here. We're just gonna maybe grab a few. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go. Got that? There we go. So this is the big beef tomato. Alright, so some big beef. There's two right there. Another one. Alright, so I'm just gonna do 4 pots of big beef tomato. Just make the label right after. Okay, so it's big beef. The other one, so that's beef steak. This one is big beef. Big beef. Done. Alrighty, so now we have 4 big beef tomato. Ooh, I think I'm gonna run out with little pots, so that's alright. Let's wait more. Alright, so what's next? We're going to do the large purple tomato right here. So I think we're just gonna grab a few in here and see if we can grab it. There you go. Wee, look. Oh, sorry. There we go. That's easy. Okay. I'm gonna grab another one. This one right here. Okay. There we go. Add it right here. Okay. And I think I need another one. This one right here, very huge. Yay, look at that. Very nice and healthy. Put it right here. Oops. Okay, so let's add some soil on it. Now I have the purple large tomato. So we're gonna make some label. Purple large tomato. So I'm gonna put my friend's name on it so that I will not forget it. There you go. Purple large tomato. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. So we'll do the. Let's see. We're just gonna wiggle it. Wiggle it. Whoa! There we go. Nice. This one right there, and then there's another large one here. Nice. And there's another one right there. Okay. Okay. large green tomato from Mala. So here are the tomatoes that I just repotted. So these are all the large varieties, but I still have at least 2 months to wait before I transplant them again outside the garden. So we're just gonna water it. So now we are going to set it up with the LED grow light. So I already plugged it, and this is the good thing with the grow light, because look, we can adjust it. So there is the 4 headlamp right here. We can place it that way, and one will be this way. So look at that. Wow, it's pretty amazing. Do that. Okay, now let's turn on the LED grow light. Woo, look at that. Yay, we can change it maybe into red. Blue. Maybe we'll put it that way for now. So this LED grow light will help the growth of these tomatoes, and I am so excited for it. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye!